Kawaipat ka Madan Futsal ha EJHD District kabalashna ling ba ka scheme kabawan na District Mineral Funding DMF la Plie paidbah menta ka sngi na ka MLA su tanga saipung ka kong Santa M Shylla bat menta ka kenti ya ka ni ka Madan Futsal la Plie ha shnong Ratacherra kabadan ha iaka narpo ka shnong kabadan ha kapur bat kari Bangladesh bat kaba kapur ru bat ka jela Assam. Habakran na kajingalang Ratacherra ka kong Santa M Shylla kalapin kan mau biang baka jingshna yaki ni ki Madan Futsal hapo ka district along halor ka thong bante la kam yaki jingkan rei udrang ha ka ba ki khun samla kinyo yaki jaka ye lekai ban pin bernya ban plut por ha ki Madan ni lekai makin pai khmat shaki weki ki basniu udrang bat ki kam sniu ka kentu yaki kme ki kpa bakin pinshur yala ki khon ki kti bakin ya shimbenta ha ki jingle kai sports namar ka jingle kai sports ke rap bantei ya ka jingmut jing perkhan bat teiru ya ka kwat ka khia menta ka sngi ha ka program Ratacherra ka kong Santa M Shylla kala pen banaru bashen ansashna sa kawai ka Madan Futsal sahashnong kyang nakaliang wahe shnong Ratacherra wahe shnong barem Ratacherra ubaki potmi ula ai ke jingkhublei sngongo ya ka MLA badi deputy commissioner ke bela wanra ya kini ka Madan Futsal hapo shnong bat ongru ba ha kini ka Madan kin sapelong ya ke jingre kai football na benta ki rangba ki samla bat kum juru an pelong ya ka football ya ki khenna ki bedangren bat ukun tu ya ki keme ki pa bakin snobha ban wan yalam ya ki khon ki badangret ban yo banile kai ha kani ka Madan anda ka shnong kala penben kum ban shuban ram ya ka jingshna ya ki Madan Futsal ha EJHD District ki bana ka scheme jong ka DMF la sedang na klirian ka badai ka district headquarter kata house nam arjar psaw bat hadien kani la nangyay beteng shushu ya ka jingshna ki Madan Futsal sa shaki ki shnong ru wat shadow ki shnong ki bejingai na district headquarter na klirian kum ka shnong saipung sokempor mukha yalong bat ki ki shnong hakani ka program Ratacherra ledon ringkat lang ru deputy commissioner ka EJHD district ushivan chawasti IS wahe shnong Ratacherra uba pin klan har u BDO lom shnong senari blong uba kindat ki khot ka dorbar shnong Ratacherra MDC barem ka narpo uba di poshna kinong shnong ki khana school kinohikai bat ki rangba nakathan
Chief guest yoga
I now declare the futsal of football ground of Ratacherra open. So nice, huh?
Village in the district, and I think this is one of the remotest area where we are going to inaugurate this futsal ground. So I would like to acknowledge and appreciate the efforts of our local MLA because it was her vision, her suggestion that the development that we are doing in the district, initially we started from the district headquarters, but slowly we have to spread so that all the areas, and especially the area which are remote and which are affected by lot of issues related to mining, should also get the benefit of these kind of developmental initiatives. So this is, I think, now almost the 9th futsal ground that we are inaugurating in the district, and 4 more are ongoing. The works for 4 more are ongoing.
Kami ngadaula cuy mat ko umpiang la dayo ko bigo futsal. Wala ang hatchong ni te kwa ong o yosyo. Te dayo ang bigo futsal ha ko umpiang la. Boy let se haga December mau January macam ni tempat ini DC mana. Te kila dayo ni. Tengah kwa ong ni por wa kini kamta ni gini samla yong i. Payu bat pi ka drugs kelin. The jor ba ko kamtam ni kaniga tanyong ila East Central Hills. Tengah ye begi pal ga pat AP. Snake crow ye kon la ga jonghi. Iki wan ra ye ki futsal yo engage ki yo le ekegi yo mending kita ki jing kwa yang ki kita ki wasi ni te daw da wan ra ye futsal kelen yo kini ki samla yang i engage ya ga sports mat ki sports la. Dengan ko OP ni por kamtan gi samla kerpat jore pi kan MKam ga ganiga sports ganiga futsal wan ra ini lat pi perkat bonjat kat ni si bon bha ki ji so thuk bakla ki samla i tu do ki do kan gi Plie ta perkat ki chi re mi isai